Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube TV recordings. So in order to do it, you first of all open your YouTube app. So to watch DVR recordings offline on your mobile device, after opening your YouTube TV app, you just have to simply go into the library tab, and here you need to find the recordings you would like to download to your device. Then you need to tap on the download button to start downloading the program to your device. If the download button is grayed out, the program is not available for you to download. Here, the one thing that you need to note that you can only download a video on one device at a time. After you download a video on a device, you can't play the video from any other device until you first delete the download. Now, in order to watch your recordings without an internet connection, you need to again open the YouTube app, and a page will show your mobile device is offline. After that, you need to select the downloads to view the videos you have downloaded to your device. Then you can select one of the videos downloaded and you can just start playing it, and you can simply watch it. So this is how you can basically download YouTube TV recordings. You can also follow the same steps on your web browser. So this is as simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.